Guess what? I'm early today. No, you can't complain about me being late. I'm kidding. Welcome to the stream, everyone. I hope you're having a good day. Today, we're gonna take another look at Superpower Training Simulator remaster thing. I know it's been like 5 months. I'm sorry. I just forgot. That's barely even like a lie. I just forgot. That's not even.
Dude.
Yeah, well, I pretty much just forgot. But yeah, I've been doing a little bit of stuff on it. I added a cooldown to training, so you can't spam it, as satisfying as that is. The music got taken down, but I found it, I found the actual music composer and stuff, and I made it. I got it back up here. So if I go to my audio, we can get the original music we had for the game back in here, my audio. And I actually got a couple extras. We've got Fire Aura, which was the original one, Earth Aura, and Light Aura. And so I'm thinking Earth Aura and Light Aura are going to be the main themes. Fire Aura, maybe for when you're at the volcano. And then there's some other ones, but we don't have those yet. I mean, it's pretty generic, like, you know, sort of intense music. So we'll add that one for now. Today, as the title says, we're going to be focusing on training zones and skills. Maybe skills. I'm not sure if we'll get the skills. We're going to get rid of this and this because those aren't useful. I don't know. Okay, so this rock. Yeah. So just a refresher as of to what we've done. Not calculator. We've made it so that you can train stats, and you can save your stats, and you've got, like, settings and stuff, right? Cool builds. Thank you, but actually, most of this map, this is gonna sound really funny, is a free model. Because we're actually basing this game that we're making right now off of another game called Superpower Training Simulator. Now, the developer of that game stopped updating it in Halloween of 2018, but they've still got a very, like, avid fan base that still really wants to play their game. Ignore the Roblox launcher. I was playing Plus Donate earlier. And so we're remaking their game, but as it turns out, this map is actually a free model that someone else made. So we're using it for our map. As you can see, we have the stats menu. You can train stats. It doesn't update until you like train a bit. I know I don't have a multiplier and I'm getting 8 stats at a time, but that's just for testing. We also have abbreviations, obviously, as you can see. And we've got the UI pretty much recreated. So as you can see, we're really making this game. Now, something you may be realizing is this building right here wasn't in the original game. Where the rock... Hold up, I'm going to turn the music off. There. In the original game of Superpower Training Simulator, there was not a rock here. This was added later. There was actually this building, which I relocated over here so that it could still be in the game. And it's a super nice building, and it's got Jimmy. He's the Robux man. He's drinking his golden juice. We've got my friend PJ slamming the piano. And the piano music got removed because, Roblox. But yeah, this was part of the original map, so this is going to be in the game. This is going to be kind of like a villain hangout, I think. There is this cafe. You can actually get in here in the original game, but in the original game, these are turned can collide on, so you can't get through the door. There's like a bunch of shops. Now, something else that's really interesting in comparing this to the original game, there's an entire police station, and it's got like actual cells and little rooms, and it's got an interrogation room. There's so much stuff in here that the original owner of the game just did no justice. So we're gonna be using all of these to add features, and the leaderboards can probably just go like here or something, or maybe over here on this dead end. So also some of the map looks pretty unfinished over here. We might actually extend this ourselves because I'm pretty sure the SPTS original guy just cut it off here, but we might actually extend this and add more map. Another thing that's... I accidentally just deleted the map, didn't I? Well, it'll still be there when I stop the game. We've got this lighthouse. These are like new features that I've had built or whatever. We've got this lighthouse, which is it's a nice little area, and you can come up here, and there's a really low level psychic power training zone. The rock is obviously here. Instead of, okay, so, like, these are just the little training zones that are in the port. I think they look a little different in the real game. I tried to recreate them because they aren't part of the original map. I think the lava one is really cool, because you've got this, like, diamond border and these little, like, machine-looking things on their highest setting. So that's the, the lava zone. And then also, instead of just a little iceberg made out of terrain, there's a proper small ice island over here that for the training zone. So I think the coolest new thing that, like, I've built is this sky island right here. As you can see, it fits the style of the original game pretty well. And on the top of the island, there is the crystal where you usually train your fist strength. There's some buildings, a little port that you can fly up to because all the people that live here have wings. There's a shop. I'm not sure what you're going to be able to buy there yet, but it'll be pretty cool. And Sky Guy. I don't know, we'll probably give you quests or something. But yeah, so that's how the game is looking right now. None of the training zones are actually scripted, though, and that's what we're going to be doing today, I think. Also, this map is super laggy, by the way. Like, it's so poorly built. Like, bruh, just use a cylinder. Just union it. It's not hard. Whatever. Sky Guy. Yeah, I know, it's really derpy. We're going to have some new skills, by the way. It's not just going to be the original skills. We're going to have something like for speed players that want to focus on speed. They're going to get some kind of tornado ability. Jump boost players are going to be able to, like, combine their skill with fist strength and I think make, like, a big ground slam. So there'll just be a lot more, like, variations and stuff. Also, we're going to do something with this. I don't know what, though. Also, one last thing. On the original map of this game, there isn't just, like, a little basement down here. There's an filled with little training zones. There's an actual, like, room. And you can buy weapons here. I don't know why, but yeah, there's like realistic guns. But I think there will be we're gonna have actual NPCs you can fight, I think, and stuff like bank robbers. And if you get your body toughness high enough, you'll be able to unlock, like, bullet resistance or being bulletproof. And so players will be able to use these weapons, but if you're bulletproof, it doesn't matter. And then down here will be the original training zones that were in SPTS. Also, look at under the map. Anyway, so yeah, that's kind of some of the features that just the original game kind of removed from the map. So we're just trying to expand and improve upon the original. But for now, let's go ahead and focus on training zones. Will this become successful? Oh, wait. When this becomes successful, will you publish the game? Well, yeah, of course the game's going to be published. I'm not just making a game that no one can play. But once the game's kind of, like, finished and ready to play, we'll make it public. So for now, let's go ahead and start doing training zones. So we're going to make a new folder. We're going to call it Training Zone Points. We're just going to go ahead and add a part to it. Just throw it in there. So as you can see, we've got a little point here. So we're gonna drop this in here. We're gonna name it Rock. And then I'm going to go ahead and quickly just set on the stat train 1 times. Is the server multiplier just set really high? No, it's normal. Will this be playable for mobile? I'd hope I can make it like mobile, yeah. Like work for mobile people. Hold up, everyone. I'm just gonna take a quick minute and get some water, and then I'll be right back. Sorry for the delay. Hold up. Do I have an intermission one? There we go. There's the intermission. Oh, hey, it's still got the thing on screen here. Let's turn that off. All right, everyone. Just a quick intermission. If you need to use the bathroom or anything, you could do that. I'm grabbing some water. Hey, everyone, I'm back. Water. Yeah, so let's go ahead and keep scripting our training zones. So I might try to explain what's going on. Let's see. So why is it giving me 8 times the stats? Oh, did I just give myself a multiplier? Probably. Hold up. Let me make sure let me edit my data real quick. Remove my multipliers. Cool. Yeah, I just gave myself a 5th strength multiplier. We'll set that back to 1. Let's just go ahead and delete our data. Oh, it won't let us. Okay. We're gonna reset our stats then. I'm just gonna set these to plain 0. There we go. Just wanted to fix our data up real quick. Settings. Oh, there actually is some settings on here. That's cool. Anyway. So, let us quickly, so first thing we need to do is GU. We need to make a function, and so function GU, and we're going to change this to a dot, because I prefer dots. GU dot get training zone player. And then we do have a training zones module, I believe. We're going to close that. Modules, training zones. None equals all of these. We don't really need none, but that's fine. What we need to do is... So I'm trying to think about this to make it, like, efficient. Hold up, hang on. I'm checking Dev Forum for something real quick. Sorry for the little bit of delay. I really hope that people, like, enjoy this game, because, I really, like, I feel bad for the players of it. I really hope that they can find it. Yeah, okay. Get training zone. So basically, okay, I've got it. I've got it. Here we go. So, let's make a training zone first. So instead of none, we want it to be something like the rock. And the rock in the original game, which we could go ahead and open real quick. Just here. Let me get the original game page open and add it to my scene so that you guys can see it. Let's see. Game capture. Okay. Add source. Roblox. Add source. Great. So you guys will now be able to see it when I, like, join a game. I'm going to show you, like, the rock and all the training zones we kind of need to worry about in the original, but I'm pretty sure in the original, the rock gives a 10 times fist strength multiplier. And in terms of requirements, I don't think it has any, but we will make one that's like 100 fist strength. Just to be consistent. These requirements equals a table. We're just going to say great. So now it requires 100 fist strength. So my stats on here are pretty garbage, because I just never got into it that much. I'm like kind of fast. Not really. Let's see. So if we come over to the rock, as you can see, if I just train, I get 32 fist strength, but if I train at the rock, I get 320. So, yeah, it's 10 times. We're going to run over here real quick. So here is the 1 million zone. We're going to need a tornado of some kind. We haven't decided on one yet, though. This is the original crystal area, which I think the crystal gives, yeah, times 100. So it's got a really big boost. And then, you know, there's all the psychic islands and the fist strength stars and stuff, but, like, whatever. The volcano is another thing we need to build. I'm thinking instead of a volcano straight up, there might just be this big volcanic island. I think that'd be a lot cooler. This requires, like, what, 10 million body toughness? Yeah, it's really tough to get into. You may have noticed in the recreation, you probably didn't because it was really, like, obscure, but hold up. Okay, here. So, you may have noticed on the recreation that there's an extra door here in this training zone. I'm thinking that all the training zones are a little bit inconsistent. I'm going to open the Superpower Training Simulator wiki. Superpower Training Simulator wiki. We're going to go to the training zones. Let's see. Training zones. Here, let's see. Training areas. So, for fist strength training areas. Hold up. I need to move back over here. For fist strength training areas. If you want to train your fist strength, and you... What about an island with multiple tornadoes? I'm thinking the tornado will be... probably somewhere on the mainland, actually. Somewhere in this, like, big field area. I might actually extend this big field area so that we've got even more, like, detail or areas around the map. So, let's see. So, fist strength training areas. You go from the rock to the crystal to the star. So, it goes from a no requirement... at the rock, which is just 10x, or 100 strength, because you technically have to complete a, like, really easy quest to get it. Is this a game? Yes, we are making a game. The crystal, which just requires you have the ability to fly, which is going to be changed. We're going to make it an actual requirement of, like, 10,000. So the rock will require 100, the crystal will require 10,000. We need some kind of fist strength training zone between those, though, because the next one is 1 billion. Yeah. That's not happening. We are not having that big of a gap. So, and then, here's another crazy thing. You think fist strength is, like, crazy to get? I think psychic power is... Well, psychic power is actually the most normal one. Let's look at body toughness now. Body toughness is a lot more, like, reasonable. Because you just have the 100 required, the 10,000 required, the 100k, the 1 mil, the 10 mil, the 1B. You know, it's a lot more reasonable. There's a lot more in-betweens. So we're definitely going to be, you know, making the other training, like, stats a lot more fair. You need 10,000 psychic power to unlock flight, right? Yeah, you do. So, the first training area for psychic power in the original game is flying, which makes it super hard to get. We actually have a training area on here. And the training areas for psychic just aren't as good as the other stats training areas. So we're going to have some more training areas for the psychic, and instead of just being these, like, this silly floating island, there's going to be multiple floating islands at different altitudes that you can get to train your stats. But we're also going to have something, like, at 100,000 psychic, too. We're going to try to make the stats a little more well-rounded and balanced with each other. Anyway, look at this boy. Look at that. Look at that effect. Anyway, what we need to do is we need to add training zones. We need to script them. But to script them, we need to make their data. So first, the rock, which requires 100 fist strength. That's all fine and dandy. But we also need to give it a range, just something like 20 studs. And there we go. Now we have a training zone. Training zone called The Rock. Not like the Johnson version. Just The Rock. So we're going to anchor this part. We're going to go ahead and make it invisible and make it so you can't collide with it if someone somehow gets in the rock. So it's basically just a little point for us to determine it. So how big is this rock? Okay, we need to make the range bigger. We need to set it to like 40. Yeah, 40. So, for IV in pairs, workspace, dot training zone parts, get children do. If the dot. All right, so hold up. Let's take a look at this dev form thing. If okay, here we go. So if all right, I've got it. So if the part dot position minus the player dot character dot humanoid root part dot position dot magnitude is less than we need to get the training zone data. Local training zone data equals require game dot replicated storage dot modules dot training zones data is less than training zone data v dot name dot, let's see, where is it? It's just range lowercase, I think. Range then player dot, here, let's see. So it's gonna be, where is the training zone stored? Player unsaving data, okay. And then underscore g dot player unsaving data dot training zone equals there we go. That should set our training zone. Now the training zone doesn't actually do anything yet. It just says it. Hey, Scripted Noah from the game earlier. Welcome to the stream. Isn't this beautiful? Isn't it just great watching a billion, just the data being made? So cursed. Anyway, and now we've got the training zone. I forgot about these. If you fire a client update on the okay, that's pretty funny. We've got this whole session. What am I saying? Sometimes I just forget how to talk while I'm streaming. Anyway, so it should be setting our training zone if we're you never use this function though. So let's do it whenever they train their stats. That seems like a good setup. Spaghetti code is my favorite. Exactly. Get training zone player. Yo, hey, random boy. Game util is for both sides, not just the server. Oh, that's cool. Is that the? No, not that. I'm dumb. Is that the one module you made? Oh, wait, no, Random Boy's here. He's gonna bully my code. Wait, why is what? Hang on, I'm not understanding what this man is saying. Game util is for both sides, not just the server. Why is it in server script service for only the server? I'm confused as to what Random Boy is saying. Nostalgia? Yeah. This game's pretty nostalgic. I remember this park very vividly. Bag game design, let's go. Bag game design. It's a bag. What am I doing? This isn't that hard. Oh, wait, I already have it scripted. What am I doing? It's like already all here. So, technically, I think this should just work now. Like, I don't think I need to do anything else. I'm just gonna make sure it's... Yeah. I was being mean about the structure of your game. Well, you're saying game util. I don't... Oh, are you saying, like, the GU is for both sides and I'm using the term wrong? Is that what's going on here? Am I using the term GU wrong? I need to turn the music off. This is getting annoying. Yeah, okay, I'm using the term wrong. By the way, this game takes 6 years to load because whoever made the map was bad. Call it function bank or something? Okay. Yeah, this is normal. Because just whoever made the map, it is like 25,000 parts. But it's not like I'm about to recreate the map more efficiently, because it wouldn't be accurate. And this whole game's thing is, okay, I broke something. Attempt to index nil. Oh, it's because I forgot to change my stupid... I'm dumb. Yeah, I have a skill issue. Hold up just a moment, everyone. I accidentally changed this. I thought... I think it's... Yeah, I'm dumb. Turn on streaming enabled? I guess I could, yeah. Hold up, where is it? Here it is. Alright, so as long as Random Boy is here, he's gonna bully me for my code, so I have to make less spaghetti. I never try to code things as, like, really, really good. I always just try to make sure they run smooth, and they aren't annoying to edit. Alright, this is not working unless the distance just... Spaghetti is yummy? Yeah, kinda. I haven't had spaghetti in, like, ages. Booga is all spaghetti code, I know. The new one's code looks pretty good, though. I mean, I don't know much about it, but, like... Create the play screen? Is that what you're asking me to do? I don't know, I'm sorry. Ooh-o-4-N. I don't know how to pronounce your name, I'm sorry. Woofoforn? 00H042N? We will make the title screen eventually, and it'll have more than just the play button, but instead of doing this, why don't you upgrade Booga Booga Classic? I don't work on Booga Booga Classic. I don't. The only thing I did for Classic, like, ever, was make a rain particle. I'm making a recreation of a really old game. Yeah, I don't do the code for Booga, that too. Because it's like, I make spaghetti, but my spaghetti isn't as tasty as Random Boy's spaghetti. Hey, welcome to the stream, Pink. Yeah, that did load a lot faster. Thanks for the tip, Random Boy. Alright. Well, it's not getting it. I'm gonna increase the range to, like, 100 and see if it's just not big enough range. Just to see if I need to adjust my measurements. I don't know, 40 might not be enough. Let's just do, like, 100. I'm being dumb. I'll do the actual debugging process in a moment. I just like to check for if it's me being dumb first. I'll, like, actually do debugging stuff soon. Are you gonna make this public? Yeah. No, I'm just making a game, and no one's gonna be able to play it. I'm sorry, random viewer. I hope you don't mind me making jokes slightly at your expense. Okay, let's see here. So we're gonna set this back to, like, 50. Then we're gonna come over here, and we're gonna go, once you make this game, then not updated a lot? Exactly! I mean, it's pretty, it'll be pretty easy to update, I think. So we're just gonna go print set. People are gonna find a way to, like, you need to fix skills unlocking at certain levels? What? Okay, so it should just tell me reset to none, because there's no training zone. Set training zone. So it's just not giving me the multiplier, or is it? And it's just not displaying? No, it's just not giving me the multiplier. Am I young? I mean, I'm young for work standards. I'm not, like, 10. I'm not an adult. I'll tell you that. How old are you? Catch me and please donate, and I'll tell you. I'm kidding. I've been playing that game a lot. It's like, I don't even donate to people. I just talk. It's really chill. If you play Superpower normal, you need to do quests to unlock skills. Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. That's how it should be. So it's setting the training zone. It's just... So between 10 to 14, I am a teenager, I'll tell you that. Let's see. Times, training zones, module, stat. Hold up. Hey, welcome to the stream, Leak Demon. Hope you're having a good day. Well, here. Quests are an easy system? Yeah, they are. You just add a little thing to their data, and if they meet the requirements, then they can... Yeah, I'm 18, obviously. Let's just do this. Let's print this. Like, just to make sure it's setting it properly. Have I seen your cool data storage module? No. I don't think so. I might have. My memory sucks. Let's see. No, I'm really not that, like, good at coding. Don't take anything I say here as advice. The only time I actively try to make, like, really good code is if I'm, like... You sent it in dev chat? No, then I probably didn't see it, because I haven't checked dev chat in a while. Well, that's not true. I checked it, like, a couple days ago, but... Hold on, let me look. Oh, data! To save C frames and any other type. That's cool. Yeah, that's really cool. I'll take a look at that later, but learning it on stream is going to be really awkward, so I'll do that off stream. But that's really cool. How did I learn to code? So basically, I just read DevHub for, like, and, like, watched bad YouTube tutorials for, like, a year and a half. And then I joined the Booga Booga team. And Random Boy committed the Make Me Get Decent. Hold up. I am going to mute for like 10 seconds just so I can shut my curtain because it's like in my face. I remember reading Stranded's code for the first time and being like, what is this? Because I just didn't know how it worked. It took like all of my brain power to understand it. It was really funny. Yeah, let's just print the training zone and see if it's being set correctly. See if I'm being dumb or not. This is just called rock. Okay, good. Let's go. 2 pings. Okay, some random group chat thing. So it's setting it, but it's not. What if, I bet it's just like the T is supposed to be uncapitalized or something. No? What's the player key? It's just the user ID. Hold up. I'm pretty sure I'm getting that correctly. It's gonna be like the dumbest bug. That's always what happens. It's always the dumbest bug. Here, hold up. I need to do Random Boy a favor. Oh, but that's gonna change all the UI stuff. That's so annoying. No! I wish I could only, like, do it if it's just GU and not... Dang it! Not No! I mean, I'm pretty sure half of that is disabled code, but... Do I remember Happy Little Banto? Isn't that what the domestic little bantos were called? Or, I think they still are, but I don't know. Looking at that data code, it's gorgeous. It's just the best. I definitely didn't make it 5 months ago. I promise. Just ignore that. Let's just pay it no mind. It's fine. Press Windows and L right now. What does that even? I'm looking up what that does. Windows and L. Pressing Windows and L. What does that do? It locks the screen. Wow. Yeah, no, I don't think I'm gonna do that. Just make it normally. Yeah, no, I'm gonna do it off. I'm gonna do it off stream just because people like watching actual progress get done. Well, I said I'm a teenager, so yes, I'm older than 13. Or 13 or older, not directly. Player data training zone equals I. Let's print I. Just to make sure. Do it right now! Or send it to me. I'll do it. Oh, he just hates it that much. He just hates my, like, 5 months ago spaghetti code that takes, like, 40 lines. It's 30 lines. He's gonna cry! No! Here, you want me to just send you the entire, like, this section? Yeah, sure. I could have just done it off stream, Random Boy. You know, you don't have to... Okay. Alright, there. Oh, it did not send. I don't... It is not sending. Bruh. Is it too much text? I'm gonna have to send it as a notepad. Oh, what? How is it? How is it too long? No! No! Ah! Bro. Hold up, I'll send it in a notepad, it's fine. This is super funny. Random Boy is just like so so angry about my old spaghetti. Hold up, I'm sending it to you, random boy. Hold up, documents, SPTS, spaghetti remaster. Okay, there, I sent it to you. If you don't force yourself to improve, how are you gonna get better? Well, I was gonna fix it, but then you were like, just send it to me, it's too bad! Like, I don't like here's the thing. Normally, I would just fix that, right? I would change it, and I would be done with it. But because I'm streaming, people really want to see things that they can see get done. So I have to try to make content. I am really stupid. Wow, I found the bug. Holy smokes, how did I not see that? I'm dumb. It's fine. Whatever. We're good. That should work now. Wow! If paper doesn't say my name, Xem's taken. Oh, and it died! I killed it! Hold up. Attempt to index nil with fist strength. So I'm gonna assume that's an issue with this. Oh, it's because it's just one. The training zone is just one. Because it's not setting it to the name of the part. I'm dumb. It shouldn't be I. It should be friggin' thing's name. Whatever. Should work. It's pronounced XEMZ taken. That's too long. Hey, there we go. That's pretty good. Yeah. Wow, I made code that works after, like, 40 minutes. Yeah, let's add some training zones now, because I think people would really like to see the training zones work. I mean, to be fair, you can't even train, like, body toughness and... what's it called? Psychic force. So, you know, because we're gonna have to do completely different code for those. So hold on, let's just add a little bit here that's like... Cool. Yeah, random boy, I see what you sent me, but I'm going to do that myself later. Just so I can, like, actually get the practice from it. I mean, there's not much practice to be done, but, like... sorry. TM! Stop! TM! 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 No! Anyway, let's make the crystal. Hold up. Oh, wait, yeah, we need to code requirements. We could do that in a moment. You're gonna microwave cold spaghetti? Well, what's wrong with that? I'm gonna say 10,000. The range doesn't need to be that high. Because the rock's a chungus, but like the crystal's tiny. It doesn't need that much range. Yeah, I used to have like, because I started this project in like 2020. My code wasn't good then. Like it's still not good. It works now. Stop hitting me from 1 centimeter away. What? It's literally just like corner wedges, by the way. I just wanted to mention that. I think this crystal actually has a script, but it's really bad as far as I'm aware, so we're gonna get rid of it. Like, ew! No! I saw the spacing on that, and I'm just getting rid of it. Actually, we could put in a graveyard or something, just so I know what the movement's supposed to look like, but like, ew! Okay, we do actually have a graveyard, that's cool. Hey, Zogon! We're gonna... There we go. We just need the Sky Island. Crystal movement. Get out of here. This is so bad. No. Wow, there is a lot of deprecated stuff. Oh, yeah, because I deleted, like, all of the older code. Of course, the deprecated stuff. I like that word, deprecated. Yes, I do remember you. I gave you, like, 10,000 Robux and plus donate because you're making a cool game. Alright. Spaghetti. Anyway. But yeah, just so you know, I'll fix this later. It won't be so spaghetti. But for now, spaghetti. Yeah, I've seen the server. I checked it out. Let's see. So yeah, this is all working. We just need to add the requirement. And we can just add this as an and. Is session data or player data? I don't remember. It's different whenever between like all of my games. It's player data. Okay. Because I was about to type my own user ID. Stats, I think. Okay, this isn't gonna work. I have to make like this is gonna be a little spaghetti, but I think it'll be fine. How did I learn Lua? So for like a year and a half, I just kind of got by on YouTube tutorials and DevHub, and then I became a Booga dev, and Random Boy was just like, all right, your code is at least functional now. Yeah, no, I've learned a lot from Random Boy. He's got a very like unintentionally harsh way of teaching, but I think that was really good for me. Like, I know he doesn't try to be harsh. He just the way he's so blunt is just... But yeah, I learned a lot from Random Boy, and I'm really grateful for that. Ah, spaghetti! For requirement name... value and pairs. Training zone data. v.name. What requirements do. for now. Hold up, let me just read this because I feel like I did it wrong. And I'm being a little bit cringe. Sorry for like not talking for a while. I was drinking water. Let me read chat. I've never been able to get in to HTML. I like doing like fun stuff like this, not just being. Are there any training zones in the original game that can require more than one stat? I don't think there are, but there might be on here. There might be just like some general training zones. Hold up. I'm getting messaged like a ton. Will you get your game taken down if you publish it right now? The developer of the original has said he doesn't mind if someone makes a new version. Set training zone. Yep. Okay. It's stats, right? Yeah, okay. Can you not spam the chat, leak? I think Random Boy left, rip. Hey, welcome to the stream, Will. Alright, let's test our spaghetti requirement. Okay, it died already. Attempt to compare number. How is the requirement a boolean? Requirements equals fist strength 100. Pretty sure 100 isn't Hold up. Fist strength 100. What? 100 ain't a Boolean? Huh? 100 isn't a Boolean? Why am I using a not? I could just switch it to it. What? Huh? Huh? What? Okay. Requirement value. So it knows that the requirement. Okay, let's just try printing the type. Huh? 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 Fist strength number. It's literally a number. What? Why is it working now? What? Oh yeah, cause freaking knots and greater than less than is super weird. I forgot. Okay. Just a heads up. Don't try to use these. Don't try to use knots when you're using a greater than and a less than. Just don't do it. Great, there's a rock. Here, let me lower my stats and see if it doesn't work when I don't have the requirements. And then we can actually have some fun and like create the training zones and stuff for a bit, and I'm sure you guys will enjoy that. Okay, let's see. It's like test data 1 or something. Let's just set this to like 92 or something. Just a little below. Am I gonna release the game soon? It'll probably be at least another month, just because we aren't that far into development, and I intend to mostly stream on weekends, because that's when it's best. So we can train fist strength, but if we come over here, we cannot use the training zone because we don't meet the requirements. But if we get to the requirement, we can use it. Cool! Great, we did something properly. Do you still play Booga Booga? Not very much anymore, honestly. I want to switch to mostly game development and creation and like content. And I want to make a lot of tutorials and help people. As much as my code is a little bit spaghetti, I do try to put in a little more work into my tutorials, and I am able to make basic code pretty well. So how much range does this thing have? You know, I think this is a bit too much. You know, I don't think that's a range thing. I think that's a bug. You know, I don't think I'm at the rock, I'll be honest. Huh. How did I meet Cool Spider Bro? I just like straight messaged him. It wasn't that complicated. I just messaged him. Okay, so why is this? Why is this always setting it? Well, first of all, what's this set to? It's only like 50. Here, let's try setting it to print the magnitude. Whoa, I'm missing it. Opening bracket. 108. Okay, that's what it should be. That makes sense. Okay, yep, rock. 40, 60. Huh? Oh, it's because that's not... I'm dumb. I get it now. I get it. I know what's going on. I find... It's really funny when people that, like, don't code, like, see someone that does code, fix, like, the problem without looking at their code, and they're like, what? That's actually super normal. If I'm ever having a coding issue, a really good idea is to just take a walk. Like, just take a walk, stop looking at the code, chill for a bit, and then I'm like, BAM! I got the solution. I don't think that's how Random Boy works, but that's how a majority of programmers work. Just BAM! Magic brain solution. Just go! Oh, well, I broke it. Unable to attempt to index nil with name. Oh, yeah. Hold on. Wait, hang on, I just realized all the changes I just made don't make any sense. None. Set training zone. It's the rock. But it's not setting the training zone. It's just not unsetting it. What? Huh? Hang on. I'll be right back. Oh, well, I'm dumb. I did the same mistake I did earlier. Again. My brain is enormous. I won't be right back. I'm fixing this. I did all this, like, insane debugging. I'm just stupid. That's the issue here. Oh, man. I know this is very different from my regular content, but I hope you're all enjoying the just kind of, like, Looney Tunes vibe I'm getting. I don't know about you, but, like, I'm getting a Looney Tunes vibe from this. So yeah, I can attempt to index nil with number. You have the player. Oh, I'm stupid. I did it wrong again! I made 2 dumb bugs out of 1 line. 2! Out of 1 line! There! Wow, that should not have been that hard. I'm just... Okay, it shouldn't be garbage anymore. I should have fixed it. Wow, that's a training zone. Hang on, I'm actually curious how this accessory works. Could you add scripts to accessories? Oh, what? No, I'm dumb. It's just a particle. What am I saying? Oh my... I completely forgot that particles can go automatically. Yeah. Yeah, wow. It's just a bunch of Robux particles. Alright, everyone. I'm gonna do a quick intermission. I need to use the bathroom. I'll be right back. Hey everyone, I'm back. Let me switch back to the main scene.
Oh my god.
Okay, anyway, everyone. So that's the first part of the stream. Oh, hang on. Let's add the crystal real quick. That's pretty much the first part of the stream. Let me add this here, but like, yeah. We're pretty much done with the training zones. So I was thinking, hang on, I'm gonna open another one of my games to yoink some code, because it's really nice code. Well, it's not really nice. It's really nice, but it's not like clean. It's just really, well, it's like 6 lines. It can't be that clean. Papers, whack afternoon. We're gonna yoink some code from another one of my games because I'm too lazy to rewrite it. And I think that's funnier. for the stream. Also, we're gonna fix the sky island, because what is that? Why is there this super obvious cylinder? Here, let's go something more like this. I mean, it's still super obvious, but it's less bad. Hold up. How's this look? Okay, that's why the cylinder is super obvious. It's because I didn't do a good job with these plates. I was originally gonna have a cave on the sky island, but, like, I don't know what I'd put in there. Anyway, here to yoink some code from myself. Yoink. It's gonna have, like, all of the friggin' Scroink. Bip, 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 plunk. We'll leave punch. Actually, no, because that's entirely designed for Paper's Whack Afternoon. So no, we'll just keep the little like the little module bit. So basically, we just go in here and we just go. Bam. Now we can index this module. So yeah, moves. What move do we need to do first? I don't know. We'll just do like the fireball. I don't know what it's called. What's it called? I could check. I could just check at the little. What's it called? Main UI. Mainframe. Skills. Why are there 2 bullet punch? It's just fireball. Wow. I thought it was actually like really unique, but it is just fireball. Okay. So yeah, fireball. Next, we gotta make a keybind. We also want. Actually, we'll do like the move data later. These are just kind of the actual like scripts for them. So, actually, we're gonna take a break from scripting, everyone, because I think people really appreciate the modeling more. Yeah, Random Boy, what's up? Did you hear how Master Squid got Junior mod? What? He's not even in the Discord. What? Oh wait, no, yeah. I saw the pulled it emote. Oh yeah. I saw that. I saw that. Yeah, he's not even in the Discord, and he's got Junior mod. No, it's ridiculous. Why are these lights on? It's like broad daylight. He's not even in the Discord. Yeah, I saw that. Also, what the heck is that? No, we're getting... Nope. Literally a wedge would look better than that. No, that was horrible. Like, up here, the rope, it's fine, whatever, cool. But that was just... What is that? What? Here, hold up. We can do better. Let me just make sure it's on the scale. I use very weird colors for wood, but they look decent. That is the wrong color. Dark orange. Okay. There's dark orange. Is it this one? Yeah. Okay. That is not a wedge. What am I doing? Yeah, the building this game is super weird for me, because I'm building in a completely different style. Like, this Sky Island was made a really long time ago, but I still had to build weird for it, because the game is just... It's just strange, man. The way it builds Superpower Training Simulator is so weird. Well, actually, the developer of the original Superpower Training Simulator didn't build anything. The whole map was just a free model. He did, like, these really tiny, dumb terrain iceberg things. I think he built the Zen Temple. I think that's all the building he did. But the Zen Temple is pretty in theme with, like, the main map, so... Yeah, something like this kind of fits the game. Anyway, back to the actual, like, stream part of the stream. This is the worst possible size. 16.75. It's not even centered. Here, hold up. I fixed it. Hold up, let me like... I originally was gonna have like a little hole in here and you'd have to go to like big force field. That's annoying. No. This static, hold up, random boy's complaining about my static. Yeah, something like this kind of fits. I kind of get why you don't like it, but honestly, when there isn't static in someone's mic, it just kind of feels quiet, like on the video. I could add music, but yeah, I don't know. I have no excuse. Anyway, there we go. That looks less garbage. So, what do we need to make? What do we need to build? Because we're going to take a break from scripting, because I think people appreciate the building more. Let's go on Original Superpower Training Simulator and see what they've got that we need to create. Did I make all of that? This giant city map? You see it? Oh, wait, no, you... Hold on. Okay, there. This giant city map? Nah, it's a free model. The dev of the Original Superpower Training Simulator used a free model for their entire map. But anyway, that's actually, I don't care. Free models are there to be used. But anyway, we had to build, the only things I've really built are like these little pools. I had to do like this painstaking process of moving this building. This building used to be here, but they removed it in the original game for the rock, but I thought it was a cool building, so I just moved it over here. That sucked to do. That took 5 years. This lighthouse, I didn't make it, but my brother did. The ice island. You know. Is this just straight up a hexagon? Wow, it is. I didn't, like, it's not very big, but, like, yeah, I made it. And then I made the Sky Island and all of, like, the buildings and stuff. Obviously, the trees are just the trees on this map, but... Anyway, let's switch over to the actual Superpower Training Simulator game for a second. With the Robux gun. Hope I don't get murdered. There's, like, one guy in here and they're a criminal. That's great. Or, like, one guy with stats. So in the original game, this is, like, the super OP... Hold up, I need to stop sprinting. No! Ah! What? Okay, sure. What? I guess I'm dead. Yeah, that's like the super OP body toughness training zone. We're gonna do that a little differently, but yeah, we need to build that. We've got the super cool stars that take 6 years to fly to. Those are being closer. They're so annoying. Yeah, this looks... Honestly, I think the one in the recreation looks better. Anyway, this room, oh, this is, we're gonna go invisible because I have, like, actual psychic as my only stat. So if you could not get murdered, that'd be helpful. The volcano needs to be built. But actually, it's not gonna be a volcano, it's gonna be, like, an entire volcano island, probably. And it's gonna have, like, stuff on it, I don't know. Maybe a fist training zone, because we actually need one of those, because there's, like, it goes from 10,000 to a billion. It's like 10 billion or something. There's these stars up here that you, like, train fist strength at, and then there's the Sky Temple, which we're gonna take a different approach for. Also, I just realized you could totally see me, even though I'm invisible, because of the Robux gun, but, you know, it's fine. But yeah, here we've got, like, the cool stars. They're not really that cool. They're, like, 4 parts and an effect. The effect is nice, though. This requires 1 billion fist strength. I don't have that. Also, you can just see the moon go zooming. But yeah, I'm pretty sure these all look the same. Like, they aren't that unique. We do need to make quests and, like, some UIs and stuff, but... Creating UIs really isn't that fun to watch. It's kind of annoying. But yeah, there's like these cool stars and stuff, and then we can go visit the psychic island in a second. Yeah, this one does look a bit different. It's kind of got like a glow and then the big green aura. We're gonna actually go to the red one because I don't remember what this one looks like. I will not be playing Booga Booga with subscribers on this stream. Got the special quest stuff, daily quest. Ayo, let's go. Here, hold on, let me just... Great. And then we've got this one, which honestly I think looks worse than the green one, because it's just shiny. I mean, it's got a little bit of a texture, but like, whatever. Where is the Zen Temple? Did it really deload? Oh no, it's way down there. Oh yeah, I forgot you could teleport, but it takes like infinity stats, so it's garbage. Like, look at this. What? I'm so close to that! Oops, I didn't mean to do that. Look at the teleport. It's so bad. It goes like 6 feet. I bet I can't even teleport there. Yep. It's so bad. I have like 200 million psychic. So yeah, we're gonna make this island. It's pretty cool. But it's not gonna be this island specifically. It's gonna be like a bunch of small sky islands. That look pretty different, but I think they'll be pretty cool. And then in the back here, there's like a secret cave, but there isn't really anything important here. There's like lava that doesn't do anything, and text that says "get out." It's like a free model text. Like he didn't even bother putting his own like surface GUI or anything. Like, bro. And then there's just like this little gap here that you can't get through for some reason. Just invisible walls. Those are the greatest. Anyway, this little cave's kind of strange. Should add a mountain? Where? I like the idea, but like, where would I put it? Oh yeah, you could just do this to get tons of jump force. Woo! But yeah, I think you could. Oh, yeah, that's great. That means they have like 10. Whatever. Oh, I guess I'm dead. Yeah, that's another problem with this game that we will be attempting to circumvent. We will be making it so that there's more safe zones. Or maybe just PvP off servers. Oh, actually, private servers are free, but only for, like... Okay, sorry, back. But yeah, like, you see this guy just camping, like, starter zones, just, you can't get in. Just for you. Just... To be fair, you could probably teleport in. But if you're training at this zone and you have teleport, what are you doing? But yeah, it's like, there should be a safe zone here, probably. Because, like, you could just camp the door, which is dumb. Watch I just die. Nope, I'm out. Bye. Whee! Yeah, people that camp are, like, so annoying. Ah. But yeah, we're gonna wrap up the stream, actually, because my family wants me to do something. So we're gonna wrap up the stream. Thank you all for coming to the stream. I'm glad we got to get a little bit of work done. Less than I would have liked, but it's okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good day.